Hello everybody, Ivan here from Onlevel. I would like to show you some new features we have added to our web shop, and I think this will make your life a little bit easier. You see me here, the web shop on my screen, and from there I go to the configurator and I add, let's say, a balustrade, the Garden of the Universe. And after it's generated here, let's choose a U shape to start with. With the U shape, we'll make some new dimensions. Let's say this one is okay, this one a little bit longer, 3.5 meters, and the final length a little bit shorter, 1200 millimeters. And instead of ending the post in the top, we want to add a handrail here. Now we say, let's take a nice color. And instead of this little bit darker yellow, we take what shall we take this nice shiny red. After the configuration is done, we go to the button Add to Cart. And now in the background, all the drawings are being generated. And of course, the products needed to build this system are added to the web shop cart. When that's finished, the cart will open by itself, and there you see a new feature we have added. You can add a reference. Let me change to English. It's a little bit easier. And here you can type any kind of reference you like to see. Let's bring here Family Johnson. And in the bottom, there's another new feature, which is a remark you can do below this product list. Let's say, please do not supply before 1st of May. And the last feature we added is the transport costs. They are now immediately visible here, and also included in the total price you see here. There's another feature which we had for some time, but because it's a little bit hidden, people did not know that it was there or how to use it. Let's say now the color code is not the right one. Instead of the red one, you wanted to have, let's say, anodized aluminium. Then you can use this number here, which is the configuration codes number. And by clicking on it, it will open automatically the configuration as you have made it before. Yeah, it's the same red color, same shape, same dimensions. Now, instead of having the red color, we choose, let's say, the anodized color. Where are you? A little bit deeper. Yeah, you're here. It's okay. I don't want to have a red color. I want to have an anodized color. And then, of course, he says, well, then you don't need to choose the color. Well, that's logic. And let's say we want to add some anchors. And we want to put it on the concrete for an outdoor situation. And by pushing the Add to Cart, again, the drawings will be configured in the background, and all the products will be brought to the cart. The old products which were there will be deleted from the cart. So now we have a clear overview what is needed to build the system. I hope this is good, helpful for you, and see you next time.